Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new app called Gallery Assistant. So Samsung has introduced the Gallery Assistant in One UI 8. So it brings together many photos or video tools into one place. So you have batch editing. You can apply edits to multiple items. You have compression, rotation, flipping, object clipping. You have watermarking, and you have advanced cropping. So it's designed to simplify editing and media organization on your phone itself. So let me show you the new app. So here we'll go ahead and open up Gallery Assistant. So this is the new app which you have on One UI 8. I have searched the Google Play Store and the Galaxy Store. However, I was not able to see it. So I'm thinking this is only available right now in some countries, and in other countries it's slowly rolling out to users. So for those of you who are interested in downloading this app, I have left a link in the description down below, so you can go ahead and download it and install it. So as you can see, these are all the tools which you can use in this app. So you can reduce, rotate and flip, image clip, add a watermark, compare images, save as PDF and print. The good thing here is that you can do it in batches. So if you tap plus, and if I go ahead and choose different wallpapers, now as you can see, I've got 4 images. Now with that 4 image, I can go ahead and reduce this size in one go. I can rotate and flip in one go, so I can straighten it, rotate it, or flip it. I can clip the images in one go as well, so as you can see it's already doing that for me. So it's clipped the Pink Panther, Tom and Jerry, my tomato plants, and someone here. I can add watermarks in one go as well. I can compare those images, so I can compare 2x2, 3x3, or all 4 together. Next, I can go ahead and save it as a PDF. And then lastly, I can print these images. So this basically makes you much more efficient if you do repetitive edits on many photos or videos. It helps you save space, tidy up your album more easily, and it puts more tools in one place. So it's less jumping between different apps and menus. So there you go guys, this is the new app called Gallery Assistant on One UI 8.0.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.